afternoon. I'm in Adelaide because I'm going to watch the women's and men's crit race around the CBD. But before I did that, I thought I would show you around like some of the pop-ups, some of the brands that are here, some of the brands that I really like, because there are so many here, it's so busy. So first off, I'm going to be heading into Rapha and Wahoo, so I want to go in there, show you around. So I'm just at the Wahoo stand and I'm just trying out the Kick a Bite, which I've never tried before. I quite liked it actually, and they have very, very kindly let me borrow it. While obviously I'm not taking it away with me, but I'm going to be putting on the Zwift rides, so I'm going to be keeping you very updated. There might even be in the description box the date of the first one, because I'm going to be doing it while I'm in Australia. Obviously I didn't bring my kicker with me, but they're going to open up here a little bit early for me to come and jump on, get on my Zwift and do our group ride. So very big thank you to Wahoo. And also I am still trying out the Roam, so I'm going to do a comparison with the Garmin. But yeah, I'm really, really enjoying using it, but there will be a full comparison review coming up. So now we're going to head into the village, look at all the other brands and stuff, see what's there, and I will see you very soon. Just at the event village, is that what it's called, the event village? So many different good brands here, so I'm just going to show you who is here. I'm just going to head over to Shimano now, because you know I am a Shimano rider, so I'm going to go and see what they've got. I can see shoes. I'm going to go and try like some of the, because I've got like gravel shoes, so I might go and try some of them on. I can see bikepacking bags as well, so I might go and have a look what they've got on offer. No one likes the GRX shifters. Currently on the Shimano terrace, waiting for the women's race to start. It's bloody windy up here though, isn't it? Bloody windy, but yeah.
Do you reckon you could take any of them?
Well, my legs feel, just from riding in the wind so much, my legs feel a little bit like, do you reckon you could take them?
Nah, mate.
No, we've done, I did like some like rides with, it was with Rapha and Canyon SRAM, and they are, even on the like steady ride I was like, these women are just like insane.
How light are the Shimano road shoes downstairs? They're like super light.
So good. That's so
they
nice.
Look so good.
I know. I'm going to try and get they do like a gravel shoe. I'm going to try and get a pair of them as well.
And those mountain bike pedals, ridiculously light.
They are so light.
Ridiculous. The lightest pedal I've ever, I think.
Do you want to Shimano?
I think I might.
Like they're just so light. They're so good. Yeah, I like them. You see mine? They're the XDR ones.
No, I haven't.
They come in this like beautiful like silver box, like it's just like Christmas. Right, shall we head down to see what else is about? Stages? You really move your body like.
Yeah, I'm a rocker.
You're a rocker.
I'm a roller, baby. How many watts you put now? Shit, well, put a bit of effort in. Come on. Must be having
I can't, my feet are plugged in. Must be having you, mate. I'm just at Stages now, and I've got to give them a huge thank you because they have gifted me a power meter for my new bike. So I've gone down crank size to 165 from 170s, and yeah, because they've seen all the stuff that I've kind of helped them and promoted them over the years, because I do really rate them. Like, I will never ever promote anything on this channel that I don't love, whether I'm gifted anything or not. I just really love the brand, so thank you so much to Stages. And yeah, I think power meters are just the best way to get fit. For me, that paired with having like a set training plan from my coach, Mark, is like just made all the difference to help me get fitter. So thank you so much, Stages.
Oh, actually, I have a
That's what I was looking for. Woo!
Has taken the first sprint. So too can you tram. Tights.
Oh, she nearly went.
And it's for Porty.
Lion.
For Porty takes it. Tony Gunning, she's finished it.
She tried to showboat. That's what she was doing.
Blanket finish across.
So just watched the end of the women's race. That was a really good last kilometre or so. One thing I've heard now that I've not heard before, there's a Tour Down Under song. It's started raining. I feel like I'm back at the Worlds in Harrogate. But the men are starting very shortly, so they're all in like their raincoat. It absolutely chucked it down, so I didn't actually watch the end of the men's race, just rode home because it was just lobbing it down. So that is the end of today's video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Let me know what other stuff you want to see while I'm at the Tour Down Under. And did anyone else know that there was an actual Tour Down Under song? I kind of like it. I'll see you next video. I've got to give Stages a massive, massive thank you because he's taken the piss behind.